You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. Open the glove box. To remove it, locate the pin on the left-hand side. Release it, then open the glove box cover completely. You should now be able to see the location of the cabin filter flange. Remove the plastic cover from the navigation system by pulling on it. Remove the cover. Take out the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first ones are used to stop dust, while the second ones will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction of the flow of air. The arrows should point downwards. You can then put the flange back. Replace the navigation system cover. Lastly, close the glove box. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.